My name is Wyatt. I work at the Amato Law Office in Wellsville, Ohio. I don't really have a specialization as of yet, just kind of whatever my boss tells me to do. But I've been an attorney for about a year and a half at this point. I've kind of known for a long time, probably since I was a kid. There was a few times along the way where I changed my mind a little bit, but for the most part, I kind of always knew that I wanted to go. In high school, they had a program called the Buckeye Boys State, where certain few kids from like a bunch of the schools in the state would go to a program at the end of their junior year, where it would be either all guys or all girls, depending on what sex you are. And about 1,000 kids would pretty much run government for a week. And I took like the fake bar exam there and they had dorm rooms there that you stayed in, and each floor of the dorm rooms was a city. So I was in like a city and I became my city's law director. And it was just a lot of fun. So at that point, I was like, you know what, I definitely think this is what I want to do. So after that, I went to college with the mindset that I was going to go to law school. I think the best thing I'm capable of doing is reassuring them and providing comfort. People tend to tell me that I have a decent way of communicating with them and just kind of have a way of answering their questions and making them feel in a way that's, because obviously, usually when you go to see a lawyer, nervous, things aren't usually going the best. I have a pretty good way at providing comfort to them. I would say the strengths, I am very persistent, very perseverant. There's a lot of perseverance in what I do. When I set my mind to something, it gets done. I guess I like to pride myself as being an attorney where I'm the kind of guy that's going to go to court and represent you zealously and do a pretty good job, pretty darn good job. But at the end of the day, I'm also the kind of person you'd be able to go have a beer with when everything's all said and done. I don't think I'm better than anybody else. I put my pants on the same way as everyone else. I like to consider myself down to earth.